Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392 and black clear coat. With LED reflector headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, body-colored fender flares, body-colored 3-piece hardtop, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 9,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, a rear 60/40 folding seat, and it's all powered by a 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number CS1300.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.